Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make an evaluation form. First, clearly define the purpose of your evaluation. What specific aspects do you need to assess? Next, select a user-friendly digital platform such as Google Forms or Microsoft Forms. Begin by adding essential fields for respondent information, like their name or email, to personalize the feedback process effectively and efficiently. Now, let's design effective questions. Mix different question types to gather comprehensive feedback. Utilize rating scales, perhaps from 1 to 5, for quantitative data, allowing for easy analysis. Always include open-ended questions to capture qualitative insights and detailed suggestions. This balanced approach ensures you get both measurable results and valuable narrative feedback from your evaluators. Once your questions are set, customize the form's appearance. Adjust colors and fonts to align with your branding, making it look professional. Provide clear, concise instructions so respondents know exactly how to complete it. Finally, distribute your form effectively. You can share it via email, a direct link, or embed it on a website, reaching your target audience easily. Before finalizing, thoroughly test your evaluation form to ensure it functions perfectly. Once responses are collected, analyze the data to identify key trends and actionable insights. Use this feedback to make informed decisions and continuously improve your processes. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay refreshed. This iterative approach ensures your evaluations are always valuable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.